We are now going to create reports with eRecruiter. A report is basically a summary of all the attributes and documents of one applicant. And you can do that through the workflow. And basically what you do is you click on the activity that says create report or something similar to that. As you can see, I have a candidate here, and the fitting report creation activity is called Send Applicants Report Move to Shortlist in this demo. So by clicking on that, I will initiate the report creating process. So what you can see, first of all, is this screen. So we are talking about this candidate, Mark Forster here. And what we're basically doing is, first of all, we are choosing a protocol for an interview if the candidate already has gotten one. As you can see, there is no protocol here. And also we have to choose a report template. As you can see, there's a drop down, and you might have more than one report template. This is all about design and coloring and backgrounds and so on and so forth, but also about the structure of the whole document. And then after that, it's all about the details of that specific candidate's report. So who is the user, the recruiter, so to speak, and also all the data of a candidate. As you can see, the data that already exists in the database has been pre-selected. Things that we do not know or could not retrieve from the candidate's profile are left empty. You can adjust and manipulate all the data here. It's just simple free text. I'm going to show you this by just changing these numbers here. So you can basically write down anything that you like. As you can see, there are other things that you can include here, like for example the salary expectations and availability. So let's say that's the 1st of February. So that's that. So basically adjust it to your needs. Then click on continue. And the next thing it asks you is which documents you would like to include. So would you like to include the photo of the candidate? Then check it. If you would like to include the CV, check that as well. So you can move on with everything else in the same way. And also information about the candidate that is stored in the profile of the candidate can be included, like for example languages. I'm going to check it just in order to see what it does, and click on continue. Next, you have the possibility to create a different order, like for example by placing the photo in front of the CV and the applicant's profile information. Next, so as you've seen before, we had no interview protocol for this particular candidate, so accordingly no data is available for that. What you can do now is create a preview, which basically means that we are now creating a PDF, the final report, in a way that we've just set it up in the last 3 pages. So now eRecruiter is creating that PDF in the background, and there we go. We have now a PDF available. And as you can see, this PDF also of course includes design like a logo and coloring and this basic structure that you can see here. And also if you remember, we just included the salary expectations and it is displayed right here, and the other information just as well. Going down, now we have that picture, the photo, which we placed first, and then we have the CV, you can see here, and here we go, there are the language skills retrieved from the profile of the candidate. So basically that's all there is to it. You can, as I said before, adjust it to your needs and manipulate the data in a way that you need.